People, welcome back to Politricks Watch. This is Sir P. Now, hearing that the incident over there in Old Hope Road, where you probably seen the video by now, where the white car pull up, about 2 or 3 87s jump out, they start shoot after somebody, right? And then there's a little old man sit down, right, taking in all of this, like saying they're carry or something, right? And then as the 87s are leaving, one of them spot him, right, and them end up take the man life, just like that. I did a video on my second channel called Politricks Uncut. You need to check that video out and subscribe to that channel, because I pointed out the fact that even the dog take off, right? I don't know what going on with Gramps, if I fear or what, but something hold him in the seat, right, and he end up losing life for foolishness. But anyway, now we're hearing, say, voice note come on road, right? Somebody sent me a link for the page called Jamaican Groupie, post a link with a Dan, somebody who's supposedly a Dan, saying that a female brother, then catch him brother in a room with man, and because of that, him send man to take the youth life, who them catch him brother with, and he supposedly wanted to kill his brother as well, but the brother run with. Right. Now, based on what I'm hearing in the video, in the voice note, it sounds like the Dan didn't actually physically catch the brother. Right. It sounds like I hear me about it and I send man for them. Right. But anyway, let me just put this out here. I'm gonna keep repeating this Jay-Z quote. We don't believe you. You need more people. Yeah, I'm not buying that. Let me get this right. Your brother, who is a sprat, get catch in a room with the next man with a sprat, and you decide say you are gonna send your 87s them to shoot up the youth with your brother get catch with. And not only that, innocent old man end up losing life because you say brother a sprat. Yeah, we not buy that story there. Yeah, not buying it. See, we made the voice note, the Dan, see brother, we not go buy your story, because one thing me know, and I tell Jamaican people right now, enough 87s, enough 90, enough Jamaican bad man a sprat. Right, if you're new to the channel and don't know what a sprat is, do your research. People, that story is utterly ridiculous. Who you know, I got hear say them brother and man in a room, and it's not like say the man hold on your brother. See, that is what me first get it now. When people first start telling me about it before me hear the voice note, I really believe say the sprat will lose him life, right? Hold on the Dan brother and force himself on the Dan brother, and then the Dan take retaliation, right? That is how me first take it, because that would at least make sense, right? So, oh, man hold on your brother, and you say man go take the man life. Okay, that makes sense. Mr. Wagwan so. But no, your brother and the man in the things. Your brother voluntarily in a room with man are the things. And you were so heated that your brother, who is a volunteer spot, right? Nobody not force him to do nothing. Him give the man it, right? Him and man in the things, and you send man go shoot up the corner. Next man get shot and all old man lose him life. Yeah, we not believe it, brother. See, enough people don't realize this. Jamaican people have been lying to themselves for years, telling people, so, oh, Sprat for dead. Oh, me no rate Sprat, them boy over this. And especially in the city communities. The lie that people have been fed for years is that in a ghetto, in a inner city, in a bad man place, Sprat thing no work. And no man no sprat, and if a man a sprat, him have to run away. That is false. Enough bad man a sprat themselves. Some of the biggest sprats in Jamaica bust gun. Some of the biggest sprats in Jamaica lock off corner and run ends. And you see this voice now, so this Dan I release. Let me ask you something, Mr. Dan. You sound like I take away your man. You sound hurt. You sound hurt, Bridging. You sound like one man that sound when you hear saying Bridging I take you, man. Because the idea say your brother choose a KlLLNGS man, make you send man go shoot the youth, that don't make no sense to me. Me not buy it. When can buy that. When can buy that, and the same people who buy that, have unicorn for selling now. Right? Unicorn in a stock. 2 for 1. Your brother choose figure lie down with next man. Right? The man no hold him down, the man no take it nothing by force, your brother choose to do that. And you send man figure spray the youth corner, so to all old man when they don't lose them life. No doubt. Sorry, there's more to this than that. Maybe the youth will lose him life of all your file. Maybe the youth have him file. Where this youth know what they done? Me have to ask the question them, because uno worship Dan, me not frightened for them. To uno Dan means something, it don't mean nothing to me. It don't mean nothing to me at all. So, me know more than few people when they hear this and they probably go get heated. Oh, the boy, sir, you think what about my dad? Boy, if ever walk out the streets, yeah, whatever. The facts are, enough bad man in Jamaica are Sprat. So when people make fun and talk about Sprat, he did. And this when Jamaican people say them not like Sprat, what they really mean is they don't like poor, non-bad man Sprat. Because if the Sprat is rich or a bad man, them turn the next eye. Come on, people. Let's talk. Because you don't know. Everybody see it, or we alone can do it. We have to call out the culture. When Jamaican people say, them not like Sprat, and Sprat we dead, and if a boy a Sprat him out, get this. What they really mean is they don't like poor, non-bad man Sprat. So when people talk tough against Sprat, at them people let them attack. Because if the Sprat have money, or is in high society, or is a bad man, from this gang and that gang and run off that corner, they turn the blind eye. Name any gutter you want name. Name any bad man place you want name. Known Sprats round there. With a bus gun and the residents them turn a blind eye. Residents them over the yard and hear Sprat over female yard with man and make all kind of sounds, and residents cut them ears and go and let them hear nothing. Come on, hit the dislike button. We are called out the culture today. We don't believe you. You need more people. Stop it. Stop it, people. This is fiction. Jamaican people only have a problem with certain Sprats. When you watch those documentaries on the Gully Queens, them they went at the Gully, when them tell about them stories about how they become Sprats, enough of them they come from inner city communities. Enough of them they come from bad man place. Your jungle and your ream and your mountain view on your back too. And your pain and your Cambridge rifleman and fire 1,000 shot. Bad man place. You know who turn out enough of them Gully Queen there? The same bad man them wanna sing about. Come on, hit the dislike button. Hit the dislike button, people. Only there. More than all the residents in front of these so-called bad man place. Right? Because when I talk about, I want born come see. I'm a born come see. Man, I walk up and down in the place where me grow, where even as a little youth, I could tell Sir Sprat that. But because he was bad man, nobody never had nothing to say. But the non-87 Sprat, when they run them out of the community, hey boy, run me if you dead. But wow, I eat over here so. But he must Sprat too, on and on to him. We know what going on. The same bad man them on the phone sing about. That's why in my last video when I talk about bad man just up in a frock and shoot man. People are talking about disguise. No. Him finally get a chance to show him true colours. Him always want just up in a frock. There are 1,000 costumes you can wear to disguise yourself. And you choose a frock. You're comfortable in the frock though. Oh, nobody never said about body rider. A frock them say if you can't wear a frock, why you wouldn't wear a body rider? A frock is more feminine than a body rider. A frock is the most feminine thing a man can put on. A skirt is the most feminine thing a man can put on. Right? You sit down and you go mash works. A man tell you, say, yo, when you're going to go shoot at the place, you know. Cool. Alright, but you have to disguise yourself. Alright, yeah man. So we are going to disguise yourself. Now you see me have one skirt when them want to put on. Yeah, man, I try one skirt and one wig. I just a disguise still. You think man a fool? Jamaican people when they can't trick me. We are call out the culture. That is what I do over here. Call out the culture. Frauds. Like a Prada bag made in Mexico. Like a Lamborghini made in Russia. Fraud. Right. we don't like Sprat. Sprat for dead. Yes. Poor Sprat. Yes. Now no links Sprat. But the Sprat with the links, we don't have nothing to say. What do you mean Sprat for dead? Jamaica has been faking it. This whole anti-Sprat thing, you've been faking it. Man publicly walk around, but clearly a Sprat. I don't do nothing to them because the ears to them have certain links. But the man who not on the links, you if you kick him down. Remember when dancehall used to love talk about Zeeks? Oh, I think me forget. Remember when your favorite artist used to love big up Zeeks? Father Zeeks. The Dan Zeeks. You want song, right? I don't now make no more song. How I go on? What, the studio stop work? And if you keep singing about Zeeks, now they're done. I'm on the rating. Zeeks was Sprat long time. Long time. And he's not alone. Enough of these crews a man idolize. First of all, go back to the 90s. You know, so when they me and Matty told people, I think to myself, you know, so a long time Jamaica have this like, feminine thing going on. Where the man named feminine. But they me watch an old school dance in the 90s. Some junglist man, Black Rotis crew and them man. I mean, look on the man them and I say, what the man them used to have one style. Rosie's man them. Even Beanie Man used to do this. He used to have a style where the man them wear a shirt, a button up shirt, and then unbutton some of the bottom shirt, the man then tie the shirt now or not. People, if I lie me I tell, may my mic explode right now. Who remember that? Who remember when Badman from the baddest place in Jamaica used to walk around with them shirt front tying a knot? Belly skin and show. Who remember that? Hairstyle, well slick, not even the woman them. Not even the woman them could have competed with the man them back then. A long time Jamaica stays, I don't know. You think you forget that? That is why Bun the Killer they have the line against Beanie when they say, who tie up them shirt front? This is a long time this a go on in a bad man place. So when Donna come out come tell me, he say, oh, him here saying brother in a room with man, that's why I'm saying go show. We don't wanna believe that, rude boy. We don't believe that. Something more to the story. Something more to the story. They probably have their file too. More know why they need to get rid of so fast. Right? Oh yeah, just gonna happen to find your brother? Right. Sure. You wouldn't believe that, rude boy. Jamaican people, stop kidding yourself. Stop kidding on yourself. Your manager work as Sprat. The money run off the company where you work, I probably a Sprat. And you not do nothing at all. But mind your own business. Right? So why, when it comes down to certain people, when I go try to tell me, say, yeah, you have to pull up on the can and go spray them up. No, when I believe that, there's more to the story. Anytime you see these stories come out, and then you say, oh, man, bad man, go take out bad man, because it may say my Sprat. It's because the Sprat have the bad man file. The Sprat have the info. If the Sprat was to start leak and call certain name, Jamaica mash up. That's why the whole Peter King thing was so serious. Tape couldn't come on road. Because if tape come on road, place mash up. Go watch the Gully Queen interviews. Them telling you. Them telling you say a bad man turn them out. Them tell you where they come from. A bad man place they come from and a bad man turn them out. That is how Jamaica is. Enough of them places. Cockburn pen, enough of them places. The stories them out there. Bad man get catch with youth. I ride youth with him. Right? Like them a Jackie out of Caymanas Park. Right? And when people are go call name, all of a sudden people start lose them life. We know how to stay. We're not fraud. We're not fraud. Some of the biggest Sprats in Jamaica are 87 octanes, they're 90 octanes. Bad man. Are the most machine that they waste. We don't believe the whole tough guy image. That's why some of them man are so heated. That's why when time some of them man go for woman, they fling with head left, right and center. Enough of them man hate woman. Come on, people. When the money go for, so the money go for woman for the simplest things. The money don't even need the woman for those. The money just want ear say one woman talk to one police and then gone down there. Head fling way, hand fling way. The money hate woman, them a Sprat. In a real life. In a real life, people. Don't buy it. It's a lie. It's one of the many lies in the Jamaican culture that has been going on for years. that Jamaica is anti-Sprat and there's like a small minority of Sprat in the country and we need to push them and lie them and tell people. Enough of these bad man places. Let me tell you what go on. You see these gully queens, enough of them youth where Jamaicans quick to make fun of, and hey, I make fun of them too because I think enough of them look ridiculous. But my reasons for making fun of them is because them simply look ridiculous, right? And the way them talk is just some cartoon thing. But me know, so where them come from? A bad man turn them out. People in a certain ghetto ends, you know. Let me tell you this: you have a bad man or a big man who would say a little youth. The little youth is not of that the little youth don't go the side yet, right? The little youth is straight, but the bad man turn out the little youth, right? Introduce the little youth to certain things. Then when the little youth now start to become a Sprat, then run him out of the community, and him end up in a gully. Him end up in a gully, with a 100 other little youth who end up in the same situation. And Jamaicans, being the hypocrites that they are, laugh off of the gully queen and say him for dead. The gully queen for dead, you know. But the bad man who turn him out make we sing song about him. And if you hear what I'm just saying. In a Jamaica, in a certain bad man place, the bad man, the 87 acting, the people them who love sing song about, right? The people them who talk about more than Louis Bennett, the people them who sing about more than Marcus Garvey and the Sam Sharps of this world, right? The people them who love to tell we say big and sing 100 songs. Them people there, when them turn out the little youths them and introduce them to certain lifestyle, and then the little youth them, because them now no links and them now no poor gonna live in a gully, Jamaican people say, oh well them they fi dead, but big up the man over here so. Let me ask you a question. The gully queen who wear the frock and sit down at the gully, and the so-called bad man who wear the frock go shoot up at ends. Why wouldn't I make fun of the bad man too? The two of them are cross-dresser, you know. I never realize that. The two of them are cross-dresser. The gully queen and the bad man. But one of us guns so on the talk about him in a better light. Yeah, man. Yo, them man wear frock go shoot people. Them man are real man. Them man are real big man. Enough bad man a Sprat. So when I believe them story, say your brother get catch with man, and because of that reason you just, oh, how could this happen? No, I have to go defend my honor. No, you try to get rid of evidence. And that you try to defend each honor. Let me ask you something. You and your brother, you just realize that your brother is Sprat? People ask the right question them now. You just realize say your brother is Sprat. Because we assume say your brother a big youth now. Just realize that? Right? You never pick up none at all from before? You never hear no rumors before this? Why this particular youth? Is this the only youth he ever do things with? This was his first experience? Why not go for the rest of them? No, the story not add up. We need more than that. But I'm just ending it right now. Ending the myth that Jamaican people, and especially bad man place, are anti-Sprat. No, you're not. You are anti-poor and non-bad man Sprat. That's what you're anti. If the Sprat is wealthy, is in a position of power, or the Sprat lock ends and bust gun, you turn a blind eye and you become very liberal. All of a sudden, you're Jamaicans. Well, that's not nothing for them. When I tell them, say, yo, we ain't no say, top shooter down the road, top Sprat. Me say about 5 man him have. You Jamaican people, all of a sudden them liberal. Well, you know, that not nothing to do with me still. Let's go and mind my business. As long as him know, you know, that not nothing to do with me. But make them hear say, one little hungry belly youth down the road who sleep in one gully. I swear, yo, them boy they for dead. And if me ever see him, me just rise me 4-5 and fire 3 rounds off of him. So man, shut up. Shut the hell up. We don't believe you. Frauds. So all these dons, all these bad man, people from these inner city bad man place, trying to convince people say one of them place, oh, the boy can't be a Sprat. Liar tell. Not only a don, he's probably a Sprat. him shield and protect Sprat. Because enough of the money that Jamaica are run right now, and them man that have the most money. And you don't love money, you don't licky. And let me tell you something, people. 87 Octanes, the reason why it's easy for them to become Sprat, because they're more licky than woman. 87 Octanes are more feminine than woman. In 2020, woman beg less than 87s, than man. Woman in 2020, less beggy than man. How that makes sense? You know, say them are easy target for the Sprat them have money and links. Easy target. Love run back a man. Yo, you're my real dan, you're my general, you're my boss. Yo, you me say, yeah man, the boss buy champagne and give it. Ain't no man for know it. That's like easy for man and turn them out. We don't believe on the dog. When the worst than woman. When the worst than woman, some man is feeling up. When the worst than woman. In 2020. More beggy, less independent. Prime targets for Sprat to have things and Sprat to a bad man. Stop the foolishness. Stop the lying. We don't believe you. You need more people. Patreon squad, big up on yourself. Please like, comment and share the video. Bless.